Welcome back. We're still revising quadratic sequences. Given the quadratic pattern, determine the next term, which is T5. Then determine the nth term, which is the general term. Then find the value of T16. And then which term of the sequence is equal to 190. Right, let's do this. So we start by just drawing this diagram. It's not a must, but it somehow assists us. Say 6 minus 1, say 5, then 15 minus 6, that is 9, then 28 minus 15, that is 13. Then our second difference, 9 minus 5, that is 4, then 13 minus 9, that is 4. You see that? Now we can extend our sequence, our constant difference, which is 4. So this is 4. We say 13 plus 4. What is 13 plus 4? 13 plus 4 is 17. So this is 17. And then 28. 28 plus 17. 28 plus 17, that is 45. So it means our T5 is equal to 45. That is A. Right, let's do B. Determine the nth term of the general term. Remember, for a quadratic pattern, Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Alright, so how do we find our A? How do we find our B? How do we find our C? There are different ways of doing this, but I prefer this method. It is easy, it is fast, and you're going to be accurate. Alright, so what you do, equate your second difference to 2a. That's the first step. Then second step, equate the first term of the first differences to 3a plus b. And then equate your first term to a plus b plus c. Just that. Okay. Then you get your general term. Right, let's do that. So 2a is equal to 4. 2a is equal to 4. So meaning that a is equal to 2. We have our a. Then the second step is to equate 3a plus b to 5. So 3a plus b is equal to 5. But we already have our 2. So it's 3 times 2 plus b is equal to 5, meaning that this is 6 plus b is equal to 5. Therefore, b is equal to negative 1. Right? We have a and b. We can find c. Let's find c. We use a plus b plus c is equal to 1. A plus b plus c is equal to 1. We have our a, which is 2, plus b, which is negative 1, plus c is equal to 1. Right? 2 minus 1, that is 1. And then 1 minus 1 is 0, so c is equal to 0. So therefore, Tn is equal to, a is 2, so it's 2n squared. B is negative 1, so it's going to be negative 1n. So we can write it like this. Tn is equal to 2n squared minus n. That is our Tn. Okay. And then C. C is very easy. It says find T16. We have our general term now. So therefore, T16 is going to be 2 times 16 squared minus 16. And then T16, you can put this in the calculator. This must give you 496. Okay. Right, let's do the last one, D. Right, we have our general term Tn is equal to 2n squared minus n. Now it says, which term of the sequence is equal to 190? So we're finding the term number. 190 is term number what? So we're finding n here. 2n squared minus n is equal to 190. So what is n? Let's write this in standard form. 2n squared minus n minus 190 is equal to 0. If you can factorize this, do so because it's faster. But let's say you fail to find the factors, you can use the quadratic formula here. I'll use the factorization, but let's say you cannot factorize, use the quadratic formula, we must get the same answers. So here, if you factorize 2n plus 19, and then n minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, meaning that n is equal to negative 19 over 2, or n is equal to 10. Remember, n must be a natural number. Must be a natural number. So this is not applicable. So n is equal to 10. This is the number of terms. So meaning that 190 is term number 10 in this sequence.